Hey friends, Paula here. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Flavorful Home. Today, on the flavor of the day, we're going to be planting tomatoes. It's pretty straightforward and easy, but there is a little twist, a tip to help. And so we're going to do that. Let's head on over to the garden and I'll show you what I'm talking about. By the way, these are my tomatoes that have all been started from seed and are doing really well. So let's get busy. The weather is changing fast here, friends. It poured in the middle of the night and there was thunder and it's been cloudy. The sun popped out a little bit, but it's changing quick. So I want to get these in before it starts. I always use Biotome from Espoma to start my plants, my veggies. It just is a good base and it's organic and it gives the plants a good boost. So we're doing, these are Genovese and Fiorentino and New Zealand paste. But I'm going to show you, and I'm only putting one into each hole. There are going to be some tomatoes left, and I will see if there is anybody who wants them. So to make a decent sized hole, I take a handful, put it in there, give it a little mix. By the way, grass is the bane of my existence with this garden. I'm constantly pulling it out. I'm loosening it. You can see, look at all the roots. Beautiful. I'm going to gently separate them. Just gently twist. You lay, you don't upright, you lay your tomato into it. And then you just come back over with your soil and you make your little divot for watering. But that's it. That is the trick, laying it, not standing it upright. See? More grass. Okay. And this is so nice and soft. We do not even step on the soil. A little handful. Little mix. Lay you down, cover you up, and don't be alarmed if it has a little shock. That happens when you're transplanting. It's part of growing veggies. And the thing about tomatoes is the stems will start rooting. And so I'm going to continue along here and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alrighty, friends, and there you have the tomatoes all planted, beautiful. There is 3 Genovese in the first row, and then a single one at the end there, then 2 Fiorentinos here and in the first 2 spots there, and then a New Zealand paste here, 1 single, and then there is 4 more New Zealand paste. I did 5 because I'm hoping to get enough paste tomatoes to make my own sauce, which I love to do. So I went with 5 tomato plants, paste tomatoes, and they are heat tolerant because of being zone 9B. These are 4 tomatillos, and they are in the nightshade family too. I took the 4 biggest, and I think they'll be fine. They'll spruce up. You could see the leaves were starting to turn yellow because they were just in a solo cup, but look at all the blossoms on it. And it is the neatest thing when the tomatillos come through. I believe in that corner I'm going to put a Reaper pepper, but I'll see. My mind changes when I plot out my garden. This, in between these 2 tomatoes, is going to be basil. And so we'll have, here comes the sun, we'll have basil in there, and I'll have parsley and cilantro and all the other herbs dispersed. But easy peasy, not hard to plant tomatoes at all. I hope you enjoyed this tip for the flavor of the day. Until next time, go create something wonderful.